Took a loss, that's your loss. Had to get my point across.
Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy BNB through KuCoin and transfer it to your trust wallet to buy ElonGate, SafeMoon, or whatever you desire. So in this tutorial, it's probably the cheapest way without Binance if yours isn't verified or you don't want to wait the 10-day hold period, which sucks. So that's why I'm showing you this video. So let's get started. So to do it the cheapest way, you can either buy Bitcoin through Cash App, which is the cheapest, or you can buy it through KuCoin. I'm going to show you how to do it through Cash App first. So you're going to open Cash App, go to Bitcoin. You would buy your desired amount, let that sit, and then you're going to hit this little arrow right here, and you're going to hit Send Bitcoin. So once you do that, you do the desirable amount, 0.000, whatever you want. And then you click send. And then once you do that, you go over to KuCoin, go over to your assets, click on this right here, the Bitcoin, and then you're going to click deposit, copy address, paste that right into here. And then right here, click next. I'm obviously not going to do it, but yeah, that's what you do. So once that happens, your Bitcoin is going to be transferred into KuCoin. And it might take a little bit because of the blockchain and everything, but once it's there, it's there. So I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin through KuCoin if you don't have Cash App or something. So you can click buy crypto right here. Select Bitcoin, enter the amount you want, and then if you either want to do a bank transfer or whatever, Apple Pay, you can do all that. Then you click confirm, fill all that out, and once that happens, that takes a little bit longer, but you'll get the deal. You'll get your coins, and then we can go to the next part. So once it's in your main wallet, you're going to go over to transfer up here, and you're going to select Bitcoin, and then you're going to transfer it to your trading account. Click all, confirm. Now it's going to be in your trading account. So once you do this, you're going to go over to trade. You're going to click the three little things, go to Bitcoin, search BNB Bitcoin. Once you've found that, you're going to click buy BNB with your available amount, and then you're going to click 100%, and your limit is going to be, you're just going to type in 0.0, however Bitcoin you have and that you want to transfer, 0.0008323. Alright, well, it's not going to let me do it all, but you get the gist. So then you can click buy BNB, enter your trading password. So you place the order. Once you've done that, you should see your order going through. Yeah. Your order will go through. And then you should see BNB somewhere over here. It's not gonna, it takes a little bit obviously, but yeah. So once you do that, you're now gonna withdraw. And then a BNB should pop up as the amount of money you have, or you can search it, BNB. And then you're gonna go to your trust wallet. Go to the BNB, click receive, copy, then go back, enter the address, and then you're going to click max if you have any, and then confirm. Now, I kind of want to do it, but it's obviously going to take a little bit, so not even going to worry about it. But once that happens, your BNB should pop up here, okay? Now, once you do that, you're going to go to Smart Chain, click receive, copy, go back to BNB, click send. Paste the address, BNB amount, max. No, you don't need to do anything, and then next. That will happen, and once that happens, then you can go and pancake swap it. So if you don't already have pancake swap, refer to my last video on how to get your browser and everything. And then go to pancake swap. Make sure this is Smart Chain at the top left. Make sure it's Smart Chain. Click connect, trust wallet, and then go over here to exchange. And your BNB should pop up. Click max, go to currency, go to select a currency, either ElonGate, SafeMoon, whatever you're doing, and then you change the slippage tolerance to 11, and then click swap. Once that happens, you should have your ElonGate, SafeMoon, whatever you want, you should have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys have a fun time investing in this. Later.